Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into some exciting news about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 series. From the decision to drop the Plus model to the amazing camera upgrades, we've got all the juicy details for you. So, let's get started. Why is Samsung saying goodbye to the Plus model? There are a few key reasons. First, previous Plus models haven't met sales expectations. Consumers just haven't shown a strong preference for them. Also, the differences between the standard and Plus models have become less significant, mainly just battery capacity and screen resolution. By eliminating the Plus model, Samsung might be encouraging more people to upgrade to the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Although Samsung hasn't officially launched the Galaxy S25 series, leaks and rumors give us a sneak peek at what to expect. The standard Galaxy S25 is rumored to feature a 50MP main camera and a 12MP selfie camera. But the real star of the show is the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This beast is expected to have a 200MP main camera, a 50MP ultra wide-angle camera, and two 50MP telephoto cameras. That's a serious upgrade for all you photography lovers out there. When can we expect to see the Galaxy S25 series? While there's no official launch date yet, it's likely to be announced in early 2025. Samsung usually unveils their flagship models in the first quarter of the year, so keep your eyes peeled for more updates. That's all for today's video, folks. Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 series? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech updates and reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.